can you turn on that fan, please, Mya?
Okay.
Thanks, Mya.
What does this button do?
Oh, Mya, wait! It's blown the pages out of my in tray and into my out tray.
Does that mean you've finished all your jobs?
It doesn't work that way, unfortunately. Now everything's ready, I have to decide which job to start on.
What about this one?
Perfect! Let's get to work.
What is your work, Dada?
My job is fixing computer programs.
What's a computer program?
Pretty much everything on a computer is a program. The internet, games, even the clock.
And you fix them?
Yep, I'll show you. Now this is a program for painting, but it's frozen, so it won't work. And I'm going to get it going again.
You're so fast, Dada!
I have to be fast. There's lots of coding to be done.
What's coding?
Well, Mya, a computer is a bit like a robot, but with a screen instead of legs or wheels. Coding is how I tell the robot what to do. By typing on this keyboard, I can fix whatever's wrong.
You fix robots every day! That's a great job!
I suppose it is, especially when you put it like that. Right, I think we're done. Let me just check. What do you think, Mya?
It's our house! It's very good, Dada!
Excellent. I'll just print this out and... there. Here you go, Mya. You can take it home if you like.
Thanks, Dada! But I've got a better idea. Now you've got something nice to look at out your window. And you can remember the day that we had fun together at work.
You know something, Mya? Today didn't feel like work at all. All plants need to grow big and strong is food from the soil, sun...
And they need lots of water, don't they, Grandpa?
Yes, and a good song now and then. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum.
I didn't know flowers need music to grow.
Well, I like to sing to my flowers, don't I, gang? La, 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 la.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La la la.
La, 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 la. La, 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 la.
I'll just close this window. It's a bit, breezy.
Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum. Ha ha! A standing ovation. Oh, flowers, you are too kind.
Dada, the scavenger moved.
Oh, my goodness! Henry's caught something!
Hold on tight, Dada Go. It looks like a big one. Don't let it pull you in. Oh, dear. Too late.
Oh, no, what's happened? The scavenger got pulled in.
Maybe it was sharks.
Oh, no. There goes another one.
Oh no! Dada! Your fishing rods! Something is pulling at our fishing rods.
All right, everyone, hang on to me.
The doggy Go. We need you to help too. Oh, no. It looks like the fishing lines have got tangled up in something.
It's a big tire.
Well, that's about the strangest thing I've ever caught. Oh, how's your fishing rod, Dada Go? It snapped in two.
Dada, I think I have an idea.
What's that, Mya? One new tree swing coming up, Mya. Excellent idea, Mya. First, we warm up some milk. While it's cooking, we add vinegar and a very special ingredient called rennet. These will change the milk into something called curds and whey, which is very thick and wobbly, like a jelly. There. Now, we just need to cool it down. That should do it. Now that it's cool, we can see if the curds and whey are ready.
How do we see if they're ready?
We poke it and check for the wobble, like this.
It's wobbly.
Now, it goes into the cheese vat, and the curds and whey will be mixed, squeezed, and transformed into scrumptious, yummy cheese. Now, all we have to do is pour it in, and we're ready to go. Oh, well, that's not supposed to happen.
Oh.
I've added too much of something. Oh, never mind. Let's try again.
Mya and Grandpa Go have more than a few wobbles learning to make cheese today. But they're not giving up yet. Will this be any better? Oh, dear.
That's wrong too, isn't it?
It is. But we can only learn by making mistakes.
That means we're learning a lot.
Indeed. It also means I'm running out of ingredients. If we don't get it right this time, we won't be able to make any more cheese.
Maybe these could help. We haven't used them yet.
My measuring gear? Yes, why not? We haven't had much luck making cheese the old-fashioned way. Let's do it.
I wonder if Mya's idea will be a recipe for success or just another mess.
The curds away are wobbly!
All right. Here goes nothing.
Oh, I can't stand the suspense.
Ah, now that looks like cheese. Cheddar, to be exact.
It looks great!
Oh, smells good too. But you know what they say, the proof of the cheese is in the eating.
It's perfect!
Something smells delicious. I think it's coming from the Go house. It looks like Dada Go has been baking. He's completely covered in flour, and so is the kitchen.
Never again. Who knew baking cookies would be so messy?
Something smells delicious. And Dada Go, you've got some flour on your face.
Did I get it?
You, missed a bit.
Oh, goody. That bell means my cookies are ready.
Yummy! Cookies! Can we have one? Cookie, please! Cookie, please!
The cookies are very hot, Sammy. They'll need to cool down first. Well, this could take a while. Maybe I'll do a spot of gardening to pass the time.
Dada Go loves gardening. He says he finds it very relaxing. But wait, he's walking right past his gardening tools. Oh, now I see what he means. That does look relaxing.
Oh, what's this?
This is a rowing machine. You pull on these handles and move your body back and forth. Like so.
Rowing is great exercise.
Give it a try, Dada Go.
This control panel has over 500 settings that act like real water. Just choose one you like and get rowing.
How about this one? I think it's stuck. Just a little harder. I think it's stuck. Oh!
Ooh, that's not how Mama Make did it.
That shouldn't be happening. We'd better see what's wrong.
Is it broken?
Dada Go just set it to frozen ocean by mistake. That's the toughest setting of them all.
Maybe you should try something with less buttons, Dada Go.
Yes, less buttons. Aha! A treadmill. That's perfect.
This treadmill fits 2 runners, and it's voice activated. Just tell it to start, and it starts.
Start.
This is fun, like running around in the park.
And it's faster than rowing.
Faster.
Huh? Why is it going faster?
Faster.
Ah!
We'll save you, Dada. Whatever you do, don't say...
Don't say that word, Maya.
What word, Dada?
Faster!
Faster.
Ah!
Quick! Pull the emergency lever.
Wait.
Ah!
Are you all right, Dada Go?
Yes, but I might need to build up fitness before I do more running.
I've got the perfect machine for that, Dada Go.
What is it?
I call it the shaker sizer. This plate vibrates your muscles all at once, so you can exercise without even moving.
Without moving, you say?
I'll show you. Maya, you can help. Just step onto the plate.
This one is nice and easy, Dada Go. You'll definitely like this.
All right. Here I go.
Careful of those controls, Dada Go.
Oh, no! Ah! There we go. Ah, lovely.
Oh, it's Miss Coach, out for her morning exercise.
Well, hi, everyone. That's a great snowman you built.
Hi, Miss Coach. It was quite a workout getting in here.
Oh, my.
Oh, dear.
Stop that snowball!
Oh. Hey, wait for us.
Oh no, it's a runaway snowman.
Heel, Olympus, heel.
Don't worry. We'll get you back together.
Wow! Uh-oh. Are you okay, Miss Coach?
Oh, yes. Thanks, Maya.
Great galleons! Where did this gigantic ball of snow come from?
It's huge. It was us. We made a snowball and it rolled off the hill.
And got bigger along the way.
Wow! We were going to make a snowman.
Maybe it can still be a snowman.
He's looking better already. This will make a cute button.
Very smart-looking buttons. And we're all done. Only one thing left to do.
How can we lift a big head up there?
Don't worry, I'm coming.
Oh no, not another one.
Watch out below! Oh!
That's perfect.
Yes, I meant that to happen. Oh, where are the car keys?
Have you lost them?
No, I left them by the bucket.
Skim.
Sammy, did you throw the car keys into the sea?
I'll call Terry Drive.
No, no need. They can't have gone far into the sea.
Hello, Terry Drive. Dada Go's lost the car keys. Again.
Ooh, it looks so cold.
It's fine. I'm swimming colder than this. It's only the ocean. How hard can it be to find some keys?
No car keys there, Dada Go. Dada Go is taking his time.
Have you seen my keys?
Oh dear. Dada hasn't found the car keys.
It's no good. We'll never find them.
Never mind, Dada. Terry Drive is here now to help us.
Do you need a lift home again, Dada Go?
Oh, yes, please.
Oh, the car keys, Dada. They were here the whole time.
Oh, well, that's wonderful.
No harm done, Dada. You've got to enjoy the sea at its finest, eh?
Yes, well, do love the sea.
So do I. What a great day. We must have skimmed about 1,000 stones.
Yes, I told you, winter is the best time to come to the beach.
Here come the clowns.
It's so loud here at the fun fair. I know. That's why we couldn't bring Doggy Go. He gets frightened of loud noises.
So where is he?
He's at home with a bowl of his favorite... Oh, no.
What is it, Maya?
I forgot to give Doggy Go his food before we left.
We can't leave him without food. I'll go back to him.
Oh, poor Doggy Go will be so hungry. Let me come too.
If you take a shortcut through the park, that should save you some time.
Okay, Mama. Let's go, Dada. Will we get back before the fun fair closes, Dada?
I don't know, Maya. Hopefully. Lift to the top floor, miss.
This is just like the Charoplanes, Dada.
Hold on tight, Maya. This plane is taking off.
Back in the fun fair, Sammy Go, Sophie Play, and Danny Play are playing in the Hall of Mirrors.
Danny, Sammy, where are you? Oh,
Sammy likes his funny reflection.
There you are.
You're not Sammy Go.
That's just Sammy's reflection, Sophie. Back in the park, Maya is hiding too.
Where is Maya? Just where can she be? I see her. Oh, it's a nest. I thought it was you, Maya. There you are.
Meanwhile, back at the fun fair, Sophie Play is trying to win a prize.
Okay, Sophie, so what you need to do is throw the hoop onto the hook like this.
Good luck, Sophie. You've done it.
Yay! I got it! I got it!
Well done, Sophie Play. Let's see what you won.
Well done.
Thank you. Maya! Where's Maya?
Maya went home to feed Doggy Go, Sophie.
Oh, I forgot. I wanted to show her the teddy. It's a pity she's missing all the fun.
Dada, I'm having so much fun.
Look, Maya, an apple tree.
Ooh, I love apples. Can we get one, Dada?
Huh. Let me see.
Push, Dada Go, push!
I know, Dada.
Hooray! Well done, Maya. You've won, well, an apple.
And I guess that means we won't be playing tonight.
Oh.
Unless, do we have a guitar player in the audience?
Yes, my Dada knows all the chords to your songs because there are only 3.
Huh?
Well, come on up, Dada Go.
It looks like we'll have a concert after all.
1, 2, 3, 4. It's dynamite, dynamite, dynamite.
What's happening? Everyone's just nodding.
Yes, that's how grown-ups express themselves sometimes.
Is that rocking out?
Not really, no.
Can we rock out, Mama?
Why not?
It looks like everyone wants to rock out now. Maya might not know rock very well, but she knows how to express herself.